Making molds is so much fun, and it's so easy when you're using Iron Orchid Design products. Here, I'm using the Acanthus mold by Iron Orchid Design, and I'm taking my artist brush and putting cornstarch in it to help release the air dry clay and make it super easy. Making castings out of air dry clay is so easy. Just take the clay and massage it in your hands for a couple of seconds. Then put it into the cavity of your choice. Use your thumbs and your fingers to really get it in there. The cavities are nice and large and they're so detailed, so you want to make sure that you get all the clay that you need to get inside of it. And then whatever is excess, use your thumb. You can also use like a room key or a debit card or a spatula to take off and scrape the top. The micro rim that's patented for Iron Orchid Design clay molds is super easy and helps to give you a really clean shape. If you need to add a little bit more clay, go ahead and add it and then just smush it in there so that you can make sure you get a smooth surface. That's the key to these molds. You want a smooth, level surface on the back because that's what's going to be glued on to your surface of where you're putting it. And because you can see I had to fill in some holes, and I'm just gliding the clay off of the rim so that I could have a nice, beautiful shape. Once I'm satisfied that I have my entire mold filled and all of my sides are nice and smooth, all I have to do to release the casting is to turn it over. Once I turn it over, I just bend it all the way back, and because I use the cornstarch, it releases the mold very easily. Look at all of the detail. Perfect. Attaching my molds is so easy. All I do is use Type Bond glue. Place the mold where you want it and lightly press it because you want all of the air to come out and release, and you want a nice adhesion. Here's what my project looked like. I took all of the pieces, I repeated patterns to make a custom and unique molding. Check out my website, chalkitupwithlisa.com. Look at all of the molds and the air dry clay that I have available on my site. I can ship to you anywhere in the US. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can comment on this video or send me a message on my Facebook page, or you can email me at chalkitupwithlisa.com. I hope you have a blessed day.